so today's video is this kind of crazy weird look. So this is my take on the Joker, whereas normally you'd have like red lipstick or whatever here. I thought I'd go for the scars as if they were like freshly made kind of thing. So if you want to see how to do this, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with a red lip liner. Normally I would use white, but I couldn't actually find mine. I'm going to start drawing out where I want the scars to go, and I am just lining my lips a little bit just so I've got a rough idea. Next, I'm going to be taking some liquid latex, and this is going to be the base for my scars. Now, I must stress that if you are going to be using liquid latex, you need to do a patch test first. And I would recommend using something like Avon liquid latex. I'm using a Poundland one here, and it's not great, and I am currently suffering the consequences from using it now. But again, I do stress do a patch test first. Now I'm just applying some tissue just to give my scars a little bit more of a 3D effect. I'm also going to apply a bit of latex over the tissue, and you want to do this in layers until you get the desired effect. While that's drying, I'm just going to move on to my eyes, and I'm just applying a black liner to it with my upper and lower waterlines. Then taking a eye primer and just priming my eyes. And before I do anything with the eyes, I'm going to move on to a white face paint and just go over my face. And you want to go over where the latex is as well, just make sure it's dry. Now I'm using a black eyeshadow, and a bit like my It tutorial, I'm just going to apply that to my lids and under my lower waterline. Don't be too neat with it because the Joker's makeup isn't that neat, so just be as messy as possible. As usual, I'm taking my liquid liner and just making sure that everything blends in and doing a little bit of a wing, because why not? Then I'm just going to take a black mascara and just blend all that in as well. Now originally I wasn't going to use a powder, but I thought just to set everything it would be brilliant. Now I'm taking black eyeshadow again, and I'm just filling in like where little bits of wrinkles would be, just to give it a little bit more of an effect. Now I'm taking a green eyeshadow. I would recommend using a lighter green, but this is the only green that I really had to hand at this particular point, and I'm just filling my eyebrows in. Now I'm taking a darkish browny red and just going over the scars, make them look irritated. And then just using a lighter red just to give it a little bit more dimension. Now I'm taking a darkish red lipstick and just going over my lips, but I am overlining them and going over the liquid latex as well. Then I'm taking that black eyeshadow again and just going through the centre of the scars just to give it depth. And then going in with some fake blood just to go over the scars. Then I'm just using a little bit of gel blood just to go in the scars and make them look really juicy and fresh. And that is the finished look. Okay, so that was the tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yes, the green wig has made a comeback. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're liking the Frightorial series so far, again, let me know in the comments below. All my social media is down there, so my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter and everything. And yeah, I hope you're all having a really good day, and I shall see you all soon. Bye!